Okay, thank you for the opportunity given to present our manuscript with the title From Supervisory Board During Pandemic. Are they still trusted? My name is Arif Budi Satrio. I will start this presentation by conveying the background and motivation for researching with this title. The next step discuss sample and data, estimation method, result, and conclusion in this study. Okay, motivation and background of this study. The background of the study stems from the logic of the board role of corporate governance. The presence of an independent board and adequate board size is believed to be beneficial in corporate governance by reducing the cost of debt, increasing company performance, and firm value. Independent board member in this case could have a hand in influencing the firm to benefit from innovation performance. A test on companies in Indonesia by Zahzadi, Suwarno, and Mustika Ningtyas 2021 also show that the size of supervisory board has a positive impact on economic sustainability performance. Okay, that's the logic of ability of the board under normal business conditions. The question is, does independent by supervisory board and reinforced by the size of supervisory board encourage positive public judgment during a crisis? The health and financial crisis caused the public doubt in giving a fair assessment of the price of firm assets. It is proven by dramatic changes in stock return during the financial crisis and the health crisis. This is related news caused significant sentiment among investors. This sentiment even occur in developing markets such as America. Where associated with the current health crisis, the negative effect of the COVID-19 pandemic are visible in the negative return of a firm share. Okay, our study focused on company in Indonesia. The question is why Indonesia? There are at least three reasons we took a study in this country. First, governance in Indonesia is considered underdeveloped, and corporate governance survey in this country are consistently ranked last. The evidence was obtained from survey from ACGA in 2018 and 2020. Second, the Indonesia is synonymous with the capital market with the thin market category, which deserve to be analyzed regarding investor reaction, especially during the health crisis. Third, this country adheres a two-tier board system separating the supervisory and implementing function. With its relatively high information asymmetry and weak corporate governance, Indonesia make this object important to analysis regarding the independence of supervisory board in providing trust to the public. Okay, this study contributes in at least two ways. First, we provide new evidence in the literature by broadening our understanding of the role of supervisory board during pandemic. This study indirectly provides evidence regarding public trust in corporate governance during the health crisis. Second, the study shed light on investor reaction on financial performance and corporate governance in Indonesia, which is an emerging market in Asia with relative high asymmetric information conditions. Sample and estimation method. As previous said, the object of this study is Indonesia. The sample used was 474 non-financial companies in Indonesia with an observation period, namely in the first year of pandemic in this country. Okay, variable in firm value, supervisory board, leverage, profitability, firm edge, and firm size. Firm value measured is based on the Tobinski indicator and market to book value. From a supervisory board with two indicators, namely independent supervisory board and the number of supervisory board members. Leverage is measured by the debt to total asset. Profitability is measured based on the net profit after tax compared to total asset. Firm edge is measured by the length of the time the company is listed on the stock exchange, while the company size is based on the natural logarithm of total asset. Testing is done with the baseline model and full model. The baseline model test cover leverage, profitability, firm edge, and firm size. The full model in this study was built based on the baseline model, taking into account the role of the supervisory board in this test with the consideration of previous study. Anderson 2004, 10, 2016, J4 2018, Jadi 2021. Okay, this is the result. Testing with the robust standard error regression showed that in the first step, leverage and profitability are all significant at the 1% level, while the firm edge and firm size are also significant at the 5% level. Except for the firm size, the results remain consistent and significant in the second test of the baseline model test, which indicates by significant level of 1% after taking into account to the industry effect of each firm in the test. Overall, this result indicates that the variable related to fundamental and company characteristic analysis in the study are variable that have a role in explaining changes in company value during the pandemic. The full model in this test, in the study, as shown in column 3, show that positive relationship between the independent supervisory board and the value as measured by Tobinsky. The result remains consistent by considering the industry effect on this test. To determine whether the size of the supervisory board strengthens the relationship between independent supervisory board and the firm value, a test is carried out in column 5 and 6. This effect is getting stronger with the more excellent supervisory board by the supervision in this firm. Okay, to ensure the consistency of the result, the future testing was considered. The future testing is carried out by the indicator company value is market to book value, while the independent supervisory board is based on the proportion of supervisory board. All these results show consistency result in the previous test. Okay, this is the conclusion. The conclusion of this study is that it is true that the public is still trust the supervisory board during the pandemic. The public believe that there is an independent supervisory board role in corporate governance. The presence of this independent supervisory board will be stronger with the increasing number of supervisory board members. This research was funded by grant from the Ministry of Research and Technology, National Research and Innovation Agency. That's all my presentation. Thank you.